In this video, we are going to see how to fix Minecraft exit code error 1. So for this, we need to open up the browser and go to the official website of Java, java.com/download. The download page will appear. In this page, we need to click download and download it. It's downloading right now. Wait for a couple of seconds to complete. Once complete after, click the folder. Pop-up will appear. In this, you need to give the destination and click install. It's installing right now. So once it's complete after the pop-up will appear successfully installed. After that we move on with next step. Before that don't close, you need to still remains. So this pop-up will appear after you can go on with next step. The next step search for run and type the following text percentage app data percentage. Type it correctly and click enter. In this you need to click Minecraft folder, scroll down and click log folder and delete the files and folders inside the log folder. Come back and click web cache folder, delete the web cache folder, come back and the next method, click settings, click app settings, click installed app, scroll down and search for Minecraft launcher. Right hand side you have seen the three dot icon is that. Click it and click advanced option, scroll down and check for reset setting, click repair and reset. Once repair complete after, click reset. After completing this, close it and restart your device. Once restart complete after, you can check it. This is how to fix this issue. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.